This is a server, but not just any server. It's a CCTV server that my school gave to me to put a Minecraft server on it. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. The thing is, I've never even switched it on before. So we need a power cable. Okay, so I've got this power cable here. I'm gonna plug it in now. And hopefully it starts up. Almost. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put that off. I really hope this thing starts. Oh wait, it's on. Shouldn't it like be doing something? Okay, I'm just using my phone now. I plugged in the HDMI cable to my second monitor. And nothing's happening. Shouldn't there be like a light or something somewhere that comes on when it's got power? I've got a slight suspicion that this cable is actually the problem. Little did I know, the only problem was me being stupid. Okay, this is really weird. So pretty much, this stuff's all on, and I plugged my keyboard into the PC, and it's on, which means the PC has to be on, right? No. It's been a few days. I wasn't able to get any output from the server, and so we got the power supply replaced. Hopefully that fixes the problem, but I have no idea if it's going to work. Let's go ahead and try it. Yeah, I've set up the cable, so I'm just gonna plug it in now. That's a bad start. So it's still not making any sounds. I don't know, I feel like it's not gonna work, but let's just plug in my HDMI cable and hopefully something comes up on the monitor. Frick. So it's been another day, and well, I'm pretty stupid. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but pretty much, once we put that on, there's this thing on the PC, right, called an on switch. Bam, and it's running. I've hooked up the monitor and we even have output. This is like the best thing ever. So at this point, the PC's up and running. Now we just need to put the right operating system on it. So I pretty much need to factory reset this thing. I think if we hold down shift and click on restart, hopefully this works. It should come up with a menu giving us the option to factory reset the whole computer. Hopefully it works. It looks like it's working. Oh. Okay, screw that. Okay, so I held down F2 and now we're at this menu. We're just gonna figure out what to do from here. We're downloading Ubuntu, but it's gonna take days. So once Ubuntu is fully downloaded, we'll just make a bootable USB drive, plug it in, and then hopefully all is good from there and I can install it. We're a bit of the way through. And the internet died. And it's finally finished. I'm using an app called Rufus to put the ISO file onto the USB drive to make it bootable somehow. There, it's busy doing its stuff, and while it does that, I'm gonna go play squash. Okay, I'm back, and the USB thingy is now finished. So, let's plug it in. Hopefully we can get it to boot onto the Ubuntu installation, whatever it is. Also, check this 5 FPS quality we're getting. I can't seem to find any boot order settings, but I'm just gonna disable the only boot device. Save. There we go. It's probably gonna break. Save and exit. Let's see what happens. Oh wait a sec, no. Oh, it found the... I disabled the main one, so it found the Ubuntu installation. If you can't get your way with devices, just break them first. Okay, let's go with try or install. It's doing some... Oh, perfect. Okay, that's the same window I get on my laptop when I boot up Ubuntu. Okay, let's see what happens from here. Yo, my camera's doing some funky things. Oh! Okay, I did not expect that. I mean, I guess it should be that easy, but I was expecting something to go wrong. Okay, cool. Installation. So right now, we're currently booted on the USB drive, which we put the Ubuntu operating system onto, a version of it which allows us to install it onto the PC. So if we click on try, we'll remain on the USB, but that's not what we want. We need to install it. Okay, cool. Now we just go through some of this basic stuff. We want minimal, because it's a server. Write the changes to disks. Yeah, should be fine. It's not like we have data we're worried about losing. Okay, now some credentials, and continue, and hopefully it installs. Perfect. Copying files. Also, can I just point out this like super cool orange light thingy? And this whole thing was literally designed to be a CCTV server. It's not like it's a gaming rig or anything. This is taking forever. Guys, it's finally finished after 2 hours. No, I'm joking, it's not been 2 hours. So let's do a quick little restart. Oh, I missed. There we go. And it's booting up. Wait, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Oh, okay. Guess we gotta unplug this then. Okay, now enter. It shut off. And it's back on. What is this? That looks scary. Oh, okay, it's off again. And it's on again. Look, it's the account we made. What did I make the password? Oh my gosh, imagine if I forgot. Perfect. Yes, Yes, we did it! We have the entire operating system put onto a CCTV server. Privacy. Who needs privacy? Lol, I'm kidding. That's staying off. You can use software to install apps like what? There's nothing. Okay, anyway, let's just hit done. Done. Thank you. Jeez. At this point, we have a fully running server with the right operating system on it. Now our last step is to run a Minecraft server on it, and then we're done. Minecraft's website literally updated, and the first time I saw it was on a CCTV computer. Guys, we have a problem. The whole screen is frozen. So I've just restarted it, and this is the system monitor so that we can check the specs for those of you who are interested. Remember, 1.9 gigs, we gotta fix that. I just had a big brain idea, right? So pretty much, this computer uses something called Genome as its desktop environment. We're able to uninstall or delete Genome so that the PC doesn't have a desktop at all. Now, to many of you, that might sound a bit weird, like, how can you have a computer without a desktop? But it is actually possible. The way we'd be using it is I would connect to it from my laptop and manage everything from the terminal and certain applications that let you manage files. Okay, I'm back on my laptop so I can actually record my screen now. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the PC's IP address so that I can connect to it. But I can't remember how to do that, so we're resorting to Google. How to find IP address on Ubuntu using console. That's not even a command. Stupid Google, jeez. Okay, I think I got it. So if we type IPR, then we get two different IPs. I don't know which one's the right one. Oh, wait a sec. There's a third one, and the third one looks more like an actual IP. Okay, come on, it's gotta work, it's gotta work. Ugh. Okay, whatever. The other issue could be that SSH isn't installed on the computer. SSH, for those of you who don't know, is like a software that lets you access another computer's terminal remotely. How to check if SSH is installed on Linux? Is that a thing? SSH? I mean, I guess. Not localhost. So pretty much, localhost is like a keyword which represents your current computer's IP address. So if I do SSH localhost, I'm trying to connect to my own laptop, but my laptop isn't running an SSH server, and so it shouldn't be able to connect to itself. Okay, so I've just tried SSH localhost on the PC, and it said connection refused, which means there's not an SSH server running on it. So we have to now set that up. Okay guys, so it's the next day. So now if we type IPA on our PC, we get our IP address. Then I open my command prompt on my laptop. Now I do SSH, Ubuntu, I've also been using the wrong username, @ and then the IP address, which is something you guys will not see. Enter. There we go. Perfect. So now we're connected to our PC from my laptop. Okay, the PC still has the full desktop and everything, so nothing's changed. I don't know what we uninstalled, but I'm still going to manage everything remotely from my laptop. Now, we're going to reconnect. Okay, so now we've got terminal access. Now we're also going to use WinSCP to manage the files. I'm going to have to do so much blurring. Okay, so now we've got all the files. So we're going to put our Minecraft server in documents. So if we go new. So now if I create folders in here, it'll actually appear on the PC's desktop. Let me show you guys that. So here we're making a new folder. Call it ABC or whatever. Okay, and as it's made there, bam, it's popped up there. Now if I delete it here, deletes from there as well. Now we can simply put a Minecraft server on it. Okay, so this folder right here, this is our Minecraft server. The next thing we have to do is download paper, because paper is just the best. Perfect. Now we have our paper jar. I'm gonna put that there, rename it to paper, because that's what this file uses. This is all we need for a basic Minecraft server. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload it to our remote PC. There we go. Cool, now it's uploaded, and now we should be able to start it from our terminal. So if we go to CD, Documents, now I've got our MCS folder, so we go into that. Okay, so we have to change a few things with the start.bat file. First, we have to rename it to start.sh. Then we go ahead and edit it, and we add a line at the top, hashtag, exclamation mark. Kind of confusing. Okay, so now I think we should be able to do /start.sh. No permission. Oh, pain. So I'm gonna give the file permission to run -r777 and then a dot. Okay, don't know what that did. Start.sh. So it's running. I think we have to install Java. How to install Java on Ubuntu. Okay, so we should be able to do sudo apt install default jdk. Oh, whoops, I spelled it wrong. Install. This is gonna take forever. Okay, we now have Java installed, so hopefully this works. /start.sh. Oh my gosh. We don't have the right Java version. There's so many problems. Sudo apt remove. Okay, I think it's working. Sudo apt install open JDK 21. JDK again. Okay, now hopefully it works. Work, please. It's working. So pretty much what's happening now is the paper jar is downloading all of the stuff it needs to run the actual Minecraft server. So once this is finished, we will have a working Minecraft server running on a CCTV computer. Also, as it's generating stuff, we can see all the files being generated in our file application. So now we've got all the server files which have been generated right now, and the server should be running. Okay, so we're going to launch Minecraft and try connect to it. That's the final test. If this works, we would have succeeded. While we wait, if you guys have made it this far, then you'll probably like the content which I'm going to be posting in the future. So hit subscribe and stick around for that. Let's go ahead and try connect. Okay, it's on 1.8 currently. Oh, it's actually connecting. Okay, cool. Well, I mean, we're in. We've achieved our goal. We've done it. We are running a Minecraft server on a literal school CCTV server. I don't know if that's ever been done. And it's working pretty well. It'll definitely improve if we upgrade the RAM, but oh, never mind. We need to upgrade the RAM, but apart from that, we've done it.